What's up, everyone, and welcome to another daily episode where we're going to talk about millions of malicious browser extension installs and touch on the scope of the problem. If you don't learn anything else from this episode, you just might learn where to focus more attention to protect yourself and others from this threat.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
Almost 7 million users have attempted to install malicious browser extensions since 2020, with 70% of those extensions used as adware to target users with advertisements, according to Kaspersky. The most common payloads carried by malicious web browser extensions during the first half of 2022 belong to adware families, snooping on browser activity and promoting affiliate links. This finding is based on telemetry data collected by Kaspersky, which reports over 1.3 million attempts by users to install malicious extensions throughout the first quarter of 2022, which is an increase compared to last year's figures. Again, this data is only based on Kaspersky's customers and their telemetry. Other security companies have their own, which means these numbers are much greater industry-wide. From January 2022 to June 2022, Kaspersky recorded adware extensions targeting 4.3 million unique users, corresponding to roughly 70% of all malicious extensions in that period. So, adware is the most common exploit form in your browser. Why would this matter? Well, 4.3 million people is a ton of people to be showing affiliate links to, or maybe silently downloading YouTube videos to the system and playing them in the background to get views for your videos, or maybe earn affiliate cash. This stat of 4.3 million infections attempts by adware reflects how large of an adware delivery funnel malicious extensions truly are, compared to, say, any other delivery mechanism. It should also be noted that these numbers are only reflecting telemetry from users who utilize Kaspersky software. Numbers are likely far more significant when considering users protected by other security vendors or maybe no security vendors. So just imagine how many millions of other attempts are happening out there and how many millions of people that don't have effective browser security products. So those people are being infected with these malicious extensions. Starting with web search, Kaspersky says they detected search-related extensions targeting 876,924 users this year, typically mimicking productivity tools such as doc to PDF converters and document merging tools. This, as far as I can tell, is only desktop infections, these stats, right? So this is not taking into account, say, apps on phones that are doing the same thing. According to Kaspersky, web search monitors users' browsing activity to then profile that user based on their interests and then promotes links from affiliated marketing programs that help monetize the infection. Additionally, web search changes the browser's homepage with AliExpress and Farfetch, generating funds from the extension through clicks on affiliated links on these search results. The second most common adware hiding in the browser extension scripts is AdScript. Seen in attacks against 156,698 unique users, AdScript runs covertly in the background while the extensions that carry it offer the promised functionality of downloading videos from the web. The malware uses JavaScript fetched after installation to run videos in the background and log views on YouTube channels, thus increasing ad revenue. Additionally, the AdScript injects affiliate cookies on the host, receiving commissions for purchases made through the browser. The third most popular adware nesting on people's machines via malicious extensions is dealply, responsible for 97,525 infection attempts in the first half of the year. This adware begins with the execution of pirated software like KMS activators and game cheat engines downloaded from peer-to-peer networks and shady sites. This is followed by the automatic injection of the browser extensions and the addition of new registry keys. These registry keys add persistence, so if the user removes the extension, it is re-downloaded and installed on the browser when the program is relaunched. dealply also changes the browser's homepage to promote affiliate sites that match the user's search queries. To keep your browser free of adware infections, only download extensions from the browser's official web store. Examine user comments and reviews and run a background check on the developer and publisher. So all the standard checks and balances need to be put in place even for browser extensions. Some extensions require powerful permissions to offer the promised functionality, so it's essential to review their privacy policy, data collection practices carefully before agreeing to them, and don't just click on install because you want to get the fastest solution for whatever you're trying to do right now, like convert a doc to PDF. Finally, try to use the least amount of extensions you need and periodically review the installed add-ons to remove any that you are unsure of how they were installed. I have checked numerous computers over the years, hundreds, maybe even thousands, where the browser is jam-packed with extensions that the people are like, well, yeah, I installed that years ago, but I haven't used it since then. Well, uninstall it. It's like upkeep. It's like brushing your teeth every day. You brush them in the morning, hopefully, and in the evening, hopefully, and maybe after lunch. That would be a great addition, right? Well, you have to check and take care of your browser as well, your browser extensions. You need to see what you need now, what you may have needed in the past, but maybe your job changed, or there's a newer one, or you found a better one. You need to clean up your browser. And that's the news. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you have not already. Smash the bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.